symptoms of COVID-19 are similar to the flu, a fever, cough, shortness of breath. And while not all the people that get sick need to go to the hospital, there is a new warning against people trying to cure themselves. CBS 17's Amy Cutler live tonight with that warning. Amy.
Yeah, some, Angela, are taking to malaria drugs, hoping they can be used to treat COVID-19, while scientists and doctors insist that more research is needed. That has not stopped some from buying it up.
Everyone wants to be on top of it.
Marissa Roney, a pharmacist at Person Street Pharmacy, took the president's comments last week to heart. President Trump saying 2 anti-malarial drugs could be used to treat COVID-19. She tried to order more of them.
There was an allocated amount of only 6 bottles per pharmacy from our wholesaler. And then we keep checking every day, and it's not even available anymore for purchase.
Trump citing a small study in France. Doctors and scientists pushing back, saying more research is needed. Despite that, there's now concern there might not be enough of the drugs for those who rely on them. Roney tells me they're currently used to treat autoimmune disorders.
And those are those patients that I worry most about if the drug is on back order, because they're not going to be able to get their normal drugs, their maintenance medicines.
In the past week, my office received a large number of communications from pharmacists in the state who reported receiving prescriptions written by physicians for themselves or for family members.
That led the North Carolina Board of Pharmacy to take action, passing emergency rules. It applies to 7 drugs, a combination of anti-malarial and antiviral drugs. Doctors will now need to include a written diagnosis on the prescription. If the diagnosis is COVID-19, they'll be limited to a 14-day supply. These drugs can't be dispensed to prevent the virus.